kionania ati Ruhonge rwa Icukiro Niruo KPA kana Kenya Ports Authority Nirureganite ria gukorwo makeneana na makiria Icukiro ici kuri andu Kiumbe ni kana ni kurumirira uteti na uria ugithiete na mbere kwiyumiria na makiria kuma kuri atongoria kuma mwena uyu wa gicwaini na aria makete kuyukirira ikinya riri ria thirikari makiregana na njira nene na Itanya ria Muikariri Giti wa Ruhonge Ruru rwa KPA ni Benjamin Tayari Augite ati Matirongoreirie gukorwo makeneana Icukiro ici kuri andu Kiumbe no ithengea Ngori gukorwo magikomborithia imwe cia Icukiro ici itemi ni ria gukorwo makiagirithia utungata makiria ona guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
Here is not doing privatization. What we are doing, there's a very big difference between the privatization and concession. Privatization means that we are giving away the port and another private investor to run the port. But what some of our assets, we are leasing them out to private investors to be able to bring more business to the port, and then we create also and generate more revenue for to this country. A very good example I can give you, we're already doing concession already in this port. If you go to number 4, you see Greenback is already, that is also concession. What we are doing here is concession. It's not privatization. If you go to number 7, you'll see also port side is working there. And that one's also not privatization, it is concession. Those are things which we can do, but we are saying private investor can do with more opportunities, and we are also getting revenue out of it. That's what we are trying to do. Discussed. We want to be digitized, and we want modern ICT systems for the two corporations.
Na ripoti